Hello, class. In this video, I'm going to go over several of the questions in your Mind Tap Apply Brief Hypothetical exercise. I'm going to take a look at questions 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 9 and 10. Hopefully this helped you in your understanding and as well as helped you just finish the assignment. All right, so let's start with number 1 here. It says Mario makes a check payable to cash, intending to withdraw money from his bank. Kirby takes the check from Mario's notebook and gives it to Nathan in payment for a debt, telling him it is a good check. Who has rights to the check? Well, in this case, Nathan will have rights to the check. He has no information on how Kirby obtained the check, and so his rights will be recognized. Let me move down to number 2. Right, number 2. Lloyd endorses a check, pay to Aaron without recourse, signed Lloyd. The legal effect this endorsement has on Lloyd is Lloyd is going to be relieved, letter D down here, Lloyd is going to be relieved of all liability on the check. This comes from the endorsement that he put on the check. You can recognize this now. It is a special qualified endorsement. So Lloyd, by writing the language of the qualification language here without recourse, he is saying he is not responsible for whether the check is a good check or not. Question 3. Carlisle writes a check payable to Michaela. Michaela endorses the check, paid to Barbara, providing that she completes the remainder of her book manuscript. Michaela has created a specific type of endorsement here. We have not looked at this type of endorsement, so I'm just going to give you the answer right away. It is letter C, a conditional endorsement. Number 4, Jill endorses a check, paid to Samuel as agent for Tess. Tess is Jill's daughter. Jill has created, letter A here, a trust endorsement. Again, I did not go over this particular type of endorsement with you, and so I don't want us to spend too much time on it. But in this case, Samuel has received money on behalf of Tess. He's considered a trustee. The type of endorsement is referred to as a trust endorsement. Right, number 9, First Union Bank. Oh, sorry there, class. I wasn't sure I was recording. This is question number 9. First Union Bank refuses to pay funds to James for a check written by Eli due to insufficient funds. James assigns the check to Jenny for payment of a debt he owes her. When Jenny presents the check for payment to her bank, it is returned for insufficient funds. In this situation, letter B is the correct answer. Jenny is a holder in due course. Now, to explain this, you just need to look again at what's required to be a holder in due course. Has Jenny given value? She has. The value she has given is she has released James from a prior debt that he owed her. It's what's referred to as an antecedent debt, and so that qualifies as value under the UCC. Has Jenny done this in good faith and without notice? Yes, apparently there's no fact to indicate otherwise. So Jenny is a holder in due course. And number 10, Joanne does not qualify as a holder in due course, but she takes possession of a promissory note through Madison, who is an HDC or holder in due course. Joanne can acquire the rights and privileges of an HDC through which of the following? All right, and they give you several different possible answers. Letter A, the shelter principle. Letter B, the impermanence principle. Letter C, the reformed holder rule. And letter D, the new holder principle. All right, well, by elimination, you can exclude B, C, and D. There are no such rules or concepts that we have learned. The answer is A, the shelter principle. And let me just explain a little further here. All right. Now, Joanne does not qualify to be a holder in due course, but there's nothing here to indicate that it's because there's any fraud or any other kind of illegality that prevents her from taking the instrument and becoming a holder in due course. All right. And so because of that, she is able, through the shelter principle, to take the instrument from a prior holder who can qualify as a holder in due course, and Joanne can then obtain the status of a holder in due course under what we have learned is the shelter principle. All right, so that helps us with this particular assignment in MindTap. Please let me know if you have any questions. I really believe in this area of the UCC and commercial paper. It really helps to look at a lot of different scenarios and problems. It really helps with your understanding.